Have you ever wanted to try the latest products before buying them? Welcome to Paladin. We offer a large variety of original products, all provided directly by the brands. Good choice! Do you want to try it or buy it? No need for a deposit. All items are insured. Choose a time that suits you. We deliver to wherever you are. Buy or return, the choice is yours. No problem. Want to try something else? You can try as many items as you like. Did you enjoy the experience? Do you want to buy it or return it? Great! Now you can take advantage of our special discount. Have fun! Paladin. Use things better.